We are pleased to show you the 2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.